Hello everyone. Today our topic is the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. So let's dissect this topic in complete depth. This conflict is between Azerbaijan, which is oil-rich Muslim country, and Armenia, which is Christian populated country. Now we will provide a thesis statement for our essay. The longer protracted standoff between Azerbaijan and Armenia stems from long-standing territorial and ethnic conflagration which can result in mass-scale displacement, blanket destruction, and above all increased involvement of regional powers, risking a wider regional and global war. Now let's take a look at the historical perspective of this conflict. While Nagorno-Karabakh is part of Azerbaijan according to international law, ethnic Armenians, who make up the vast majority of the population, about 150,000 people, reject Azerbaijani rule. They have been running their own affairs, with support from Armenia, since Azerbaijani forces were pushed out in a war in 1990 as the Soviet Union collapsed. The OSCE Minsk group, co-chaired by France, Russia and the US, was formed in 1992 to find a peaceful solution to the conflict, but to no avail. A ceasefire, however, was declared in 1994. Strategically important, the Caucasus region in Southeast Europe, region between Black Sea and Caspian Sea, is enriched with mineral resources. Though the USSR in 1922 inclusion of Armenia and Azerbaijan, that is the annexation of Azerbaijan Nagorno. The Cold War era and fall of the Soviet Union. Guerrilla warfare between 1988 to 1991 and full-scale warfare between 1992 to 1994 were some of the events that was fought against this piece of land. In 1988, Nagorno-Karabakh parliament voted to join Armenia, but it was opposed by Moscow and Azerbaijani government. The collapse of Soviet Union USSR. Yerevan-backed Armenians. Yerevan is Armenia's capital. Separatists seized Nagorno-Karabakh and 7 adjacent Azerbaijani districts. The 2020 crisis between Azerbaijan and Nagorno-Karabakh. Azerbaijan force tried to recapture the territories that they had lost in 1992 to 1994. The Nagorno-Karabakh region between Azerbaijan and Armenia is theater of war. Key players in the conflict. Russia, strategic ally with Armenia, sell weapons to both parties involved in the conflict. Collective Security Treaty Organization (CRTO). Turkey. In 1991, Turkey recognized Azerbaijan Prime Minister and quoted that they were one nation and two states. First diplomatic and moral support, now all-out war. Syria mercenaries to Azerbaijan. Iran, Georgia, Qatar acting as a mediator between two countries. UNOSCE mediation role of USA elections problems, and due to the COVID-19 US didn't involved in world politics. Geopolitics. NATO, Azerbaijan vs Collective Security Treaty Organization. 4 UNSC resolutions in favor of Azerbaijan. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out the next lecture. Stay blessed.